guys, how are you today? I'm so excited to come to you again with a video. I want to show you how to make a hair bonnet, and in this matter we are going to make a two-sided head bonnet. So guys, the materials that we are going to use are the two fabrics. That is the satin fabric and the Ankara fabric. We have of course our tape measure here. We have the elastic band, we have a pair of scissors and a piece of chalk. So our fabric here is 25 by 25 inches, same to the satin fabric. So we are going to cut the fabric, and that is how we are going to do it. We're going to fold into two, and then again, so we have 4 folds. And now this is the center of our bonnet. So we're going to measure for my case, we're going to measure 11.5 all round. Have it there. So I'm going to cut this off. I hope you can see, guys. So I'm going to cut this off. Like that. So we have our circle here. Same size as the Ankara fabric. So let's hold it here. Like that. So I have my 2 pieces here, these ones. So I'm now going to stitch. I'm going to stitch all around like this. Then I leave a space here for turning it inside out. So continue watching. So guys, we go ahead to stitch the fabric. So I'm going to put the right sides together like that. For my case, I want the shining part of the satin to be on top. So I left this small space here for turning. So I'm going to turn it. This is what we have. So I'm going to iron, which will be a bit neat. So this is what we have. So what I am going to do, I am going to top stitch all around, and because our elastic is 1 inch, so I am going to stitch like 1 inch, so I'm going to stitch like 1¼ inch all round. So I'm done with that. So I'm going to take my elastic and the safety pin, the main and the pin. So before I forget, I'm going to use the 20 inches for the elastic. This depends on the size of the head that you are making the bonnet for. So in my case, I'm going to make the medium-sized head bonnet, which is 20 inches round. It's 22, but I am going to deduct the 2 inches so that it is not very loose. So I'm going to insert it in between the two fabrics. So you remember the opening that we left? Here it is. So I am going to put it inside here. Pin this one here that it does not disappear inside like that. So here we have it. So I am going to join it with this first one. I mean where I started. So I am going to back stitch here. See, I overlap them like this, and then I stitch over here, back stitch, so that it's very firm. Going to stitch this opening. So done. Then guys, let me show you the outcome of our two-sided head bonnet. Here it is, you see, this is how it looks like. Then when you turn it the other side, this is what we have. Can you see, guys? Can you see? So beautiful. Yay! I'm so happy I made this, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly consider to subscribe, like, and share our video. Bye!